This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block pop-ups and redirects in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To block pop-ups and redirects, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, the third thing down, I'm going to click on Site and Shield Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways, down to the Content section, and in the Content section, right down here, Pop-ups and Redirects. I'm going to click on that. Now default behavior, it gives you two choices. You could set it to sites can send pop-ups and use redirects if you have this one toggled on. As you see, I have the bottom one toggled on here. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Down below that, you can customize particular sites, like I could have mine set to don't allow pop-ups and redirects, and I could click on allow to send pop-ups and redirects for particular websites by putting their URL in here. But if you have this disabled and you're still getting pop-ups and redirects and you don't have anything down here, then your system might have malware, or it could be caused by browser extensions. You'd have to check into that. But that is how to block pop-ups and redirects on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.